Hello guys, my name is Pravyad and welcome to our channel. So today we can going to discuss about the how you guys can generate a Google job posting schema and the how you guys can implement on your website where you guys can insert, okay, and the which kind of look like your job posting schema. So basically some comments I have received on my videos. So there someone can ask me to how we can generate a perfectly job posting schema. Okay, so main thing, if you guys can insert, if you guys can generate, if you guys can use a job posting schema, Google job posting schema on your website, so you guys are also able to drive traffic on your website. Okay, the first thing. Second thing, the what is your requirement? You guys are looking for the CVs, are the employees for your companies, for your any kind of position. So this is a second benefit, and the third benefit is also the Google, you guys are get chances to rank many where many platforms like Google images, job posting, SERP videos, and the news and the recruitment also. So that would be the benefits, a main thing. So you guys can, if you guys are publishing any job, okay, any post, any vacancies, then you guys have to also use a Google job posting schema on your website. Okay, so where you guys can use this schema, so basically you guys can consider for your career page. Okay, and if you guys are having any dedicated for page for your any dedicated position, so you guys have to create a dedicated page and where you guys can insert this job posting schema, then you guys are get chances to rank on Google SERP, Google job post SERP. Okay, so how you guys can generate, so basically I can provide this URL over the description section where you guys can found. So basically your job posting schema is look like this is a job posting schema interface, SERP interface. Okay, and this is a job post schema. Okay, so if you guys want to make any changes on that schema, so there you guys can do. Suppose that you are providing your company having providing a vacancies, open a vacancies for the software engineer, so you guys have to mention in your in there your software engineer or whatever kind of a title. Okay, so then you guys can add your description from there. So there you guys can add your description, then you guys can close it. Okay, okay, then after that you guys can add your company name. Okay, then value your job posting schema value, date of your posted, validate through which date you guys are publishing this schema. Okay, employment type you guys can add over there. Okay, then organization type of organization name you guys have to mention over there. Then you guys can add your schema web where you guys have published this, where you guys where this schema you guys are want to publish, which page you guys want to use this schema. So you guys have to mention your career page URL over there. Okay, then you guys can add your website logo. Okay, then you guys can add your other addresses. Okay, address type, country you guys have to mention over there. Then you guys can add postal code, then you guys can use your country code. Okay, then you guys can add your value, hours, and the USD, which kind of payment method you guys are providing. So you guys have to, if you guys can want to use if you guys want to change any information on that code, so you guys are also do, and then you guys can paste this code which your where your page backend. Okay, page backend is where you guys can pick up one HTML code section, then you guys can add this code, then this code it should be going to visible on your backend, not on the front end. Okay, and if you guys can want to generate a schema with the help of any schema generator tool, so you guys have to simply type in Google SCRP schema generator. Okay, then you guys can found a first website. The first website name is technicalseo.com, where you guys can click easily, then you guys can easily redirect for the schema generator tools section. Okay, so from there drop down section you guys can drop, and you guys can found a job posting schema. Okay, so this is a job posting schema. Okay, so there you guys can add your title. Okay, identifier is not important, very much important. Then you guys can add your description, then you guys can add your company name, your company URL, your company logo, which industry you want publishing your job. Then you guys can add your employment type. Okay, then you add your working hour. Okay, then you guys can add your modified date and the expiry date. Okay, then if this is a remote job, then you guys can also use, then you guys can choose your country. Okay, then you guys can choose your reason, suppose that state, any other things. Okay, then you guys can choose your street addresses, zip code. Okay, salary, how much salary you are providing, maximum salary, currency. Okay, then you guys can also add a responsibility and the key features, skills, qualification, what you want, education require, and the experience requirement. These things you guys have to add on that interface, that options. Okay, so then you guys can also, then you guys can copy your schema code. There you guys can see this is your schema code. Once you guys can add your all information, then you guys can see live your information, it should be going to change. Then you guys can add your identifier. Okay, value you guys can want, then you guys can add your description. Okay, or your company name. Then after that you guys can copy your schema code, then you guys can paste it with your respective job career page backend. Okay, so this is a job posting schema markup process. So you guys have to I hope you guys have understand how you can generate. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are you friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service suggestion or projects, so I can provide my social details over the description section, where you guys can found. Okay, and for the last, I wanted to request you with a one thing, guys. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so please, it's a humble request. You guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you guys. I hope you can understand, and you guys have to make do something helpful from your side. Okay, yeah. Bye bye and take care.